the outside of the Swift Coastline Design Edition. If we first come to the gas locker and open it up, you will see that there is room in here for 2 gas bottles, and the regulator just sits up the top here. So the gas pigtail just comes off the top of the regulator and then goes down and then is screwed in to the propane bottle, and then the gas is then turned on and off on the knob just here. Do make sure that the gas is turned off for travel. Also in here is the corner steady winding handle, and just down here the wheel brace. If we then move round, we come to the flue for the Truma boiler. Nothing needs to be done with these particular flues, just make sure that nothing is obstructing it. And then we have the aqua roll, the submersible, and the fill point just here. To remove the submersible, just pull on the blue trigger, pull, give it a bit of a wiggle, and out it will come. This particular one just has a filter on the end because this van has an onboard water pump. And then plug back in again. After that we have the battery locker. So the leisure battery just sits there. This is a 110 amp hour high case because we have a power touch motor mover. The mains hookup is just there, and then the isolator key point for the motor mover just sits behind, and the isolator key is just here. Next we have the fridge vents, top and bottom. Again, same as your flue for your boiler. Don't need to do anything with these, just make sure nothing is obstructing them. Do not spray loads of water at them when washing the caravan. As we move along, we then come to the header tank fill for the toilet. So at this point here we add our pink solution and then top the rest up with water using a hose pipe or a watering can. Do not travel with it completely full or it will slosh about and make a mess everywhere. So to drain it down, we need to come to the cassette location, which is just here, and then pull out the little drain hose, which is tucked up the top. They're little tricky little so-and-sos to get out sometimes. There we are. And then the cassette is just here. The 2 grey waste drains are just here, so aqua roll slide underneath at this location, and then we have access underneath the bed, and we can see the spare wheel. As we move round the back, we then have the location of the weight plate, which is just here. So it will display the weight of the caravan, the maximum weight, the tyre size, tyre pressures, and the wheel nut torque settings. After that we have external 230 volt just there. We then have access underneath the bench seat. You can see the fuses a lot more clearly now, and the box for the alarm. And then finally we have the external barbecue point. It comes with